iMOW robotic lawnmowers have theft protection thanks to a built-in alarm and a PIN code. When you first install the iMOW, its security level is set to none by default. You can change the security level in the iMOW security settings and set its level as either low, medium or high, depending on your preference. For details on individual security levels, please refer to the iMOW manual. After you have set the security level, you can also assign an individual PIN code to the iMOW in the robotic mower's security settings. This PIN code is a unique 4-digit code which should be regularly changed to increase security. If someone picks up the robotic mower, an alarm will sound after 1 minute, which can only be switched off by entering the PIN code. iMOW C models also have a built-in GPS receiver. If the GPS protection feature is activated, when the iMOW is removed from the mowing area, you'll receive a message on the iMOW app that it has left its home area. This feature can be activated on the iMOW app or on the iMOW itself. It can only be changed in the settings on the iMOW.